Welcome to the ACT Link for Accounting features video. In this short video, we will quickly discuss the features of the new ACT Link for Accounting software, though a longer video is available that explores the link in greater depth. For the purposes of this demonstration, we already have a small Sage Accounts company set up, as well as an ACT database. Once ACT Link for Accounting has been installed and registered, a new menu will appear at the top of the program. This menu allows you to perform the initial setup of the link and also allows you to automatically link your records together. The setup is discussed in greater depth in another video. Once the setup is complete, one of the first tasks that needs to be performed is to automatically link your existing records together. Let's take a look at that now.
To begin the process, we need to go to the Accounting menu, click Settings, then Sage.
The automatic linking is designed to link existing company or contact records in ACT to existing customer records only in Sage Accounts. To begin the automatic linking process, you must choose at least one field to match on. In this case, I'm simply going to match the company names in ACT with the customer names in Accounts, and I'm clicking Link Companies. Now that the linking is complete, let's take a look at a company record and see what has happened.
You can see there are now 4 new tabs on the company record.
These tabs will now be filled out for each record that has been linked to Sage Accounts. Firstly, if we take a look at the Sage Account tab, then we can see that information from Sage Accounts has been pulled across and can be viewed now in ACT. We can also now take a look at the Sage Invoices and Sales Orders tabs. These tabs show lists of any invoices or sales orders that have been created for the linked customer record in Sage Accounts. If you have Sage Accounts open, you can also view any of these invoices or sales orders by clicking on the appropriate item and then clicking the Open button. Again, as long as you have Sage Accounts open, you can also create new invoices and sales orders by clicking the New button. These same steps, that is the automatic linking and the completed tabs, can also be performed within the Contact section of the program as well. For the final part of this short video, we will look at how individual links can be manually created between ACT and Sage Accounts. Firstly, let's imagine that we have created a new company in ACT, like SwiftPage here, and that we want to send this through to Sage Accounts as a customer, linking the two records in the process. Click on the Sage Account tab, then click the Create in Sage button. The program will then prompt you to create an account code for the new customer in Accounts. Once you click Yes, the record is created. You can also open the Accounts record if you currently have Sage Accounts open. In our next example, let's imagine that we have created a new customer record in Sage Accounts, like Fred Bryant here. We want to get his details into ACT and also link the records together. To begin, we're going to create a new company in ACT, but all we're going to complete is the company name. Now if we go to the Sage Account tab, there is another option to link to Sage. After clicking this button, we are then prompted to search for the customer that we want to link to in Sage Accounts. There are two options when manually linking records. You can choose to link to ACT, or you can choose the option to link and update ACT. If linking to ACT, the tabs will be updated in the ACT record as we have previously seen, but nothing else will be affected. In our example then, the record in ACT would still have just the company name of Fred Bryant. If we choose the option to link and update, however, ACT will pull the address details of the customer record and use them to fill in the address within the standard ACT fields. If the customer record in Sage Accounts has several different addresses, you can choose which addresses you would like to pull into the various address fields in ACT. If we take a look at this now, we can see that the main address in ACT has been updated, as have the billing and shipping addresses. This concludes the ACT Link for Accounting features demonstration. Please check out the longer video if you need more in-depth coverage of the new link.